Good afternoon, everyone. We're gonna see a 2 BHK flat on sale at a price of 1.8 CR with no parking in Pramukh Heights. So inside Pramukh Heights, and it's got A wing and B wing, and this is the elevation. Beautiful building. So this is the building elevation. Pramukh Heights Cooperative Housing Society. It's got A wing and B wing. We're gonna check out a 2 BHK in B wing. The building's got security guards, CCTV camera, and a garden as amenities. There are no other amenities. This is the A wing. So this is the B wing lobby. Security guard, intercom facilities, and 2 Schindler lifts. And there's a Ganesh temple out in the lobby. There's a Schindler lift, state-of-the-art Schindler lift. It's a neatly maintained society. 2 BHK flat, Pramukh Heights, for sale. Beautiful flat with French windows and balconies. Total carpet is 580 without the balconies, and with the balconies you can extend the balconies. It will go up to 680 carpet. All the rooms have got balconies. See, it's a Vastu flat, east facing. This one is garden facing. Got a typical L-shaped hall. This is the kitchen. We've got all the cabinets in the kitchen. This is the area where you keep the fridge. And look at this dry area space. Amazing. Too good. Again, same view. You can extend this area. This is the common bathroom. Quite spacious bathroom. A little bit of cleaning is required. Now we're entering the common bedroom. The common bedroom is little bit smaller. It's got French windows and a cute balcony. You can extend these balconies, and I told you, then the rooms become a lot spacious. You can get rid of these walls and you got a lot of space. Again, same view, garden view, easterly flat, Vastu compliant. Also the total is 3 for the flat, so no issues about 4 and 8. This is the master bedroom. French windows in all the rooms. And you can see this extra space for balcony. Some people might prefer to keep the balcony as it is, and some people would prefer extending it, so the bedroom becomes quite big. That's the parking area. And this is the bathroom. Spacious bathroom. Water's 24 hours. And there's no parking with the flat. The CCTV, security guards, intercom, these are the amenities. Again I repeat, the flat is available for 1.8 CR, all inclusive, with no parking. You want, you can pay extra and buy the parking. Thank you. This is Mohammad Akram. Please like and subscribe my channel. And this is the exit gate. See, this is a total secular building. That's a temple out there at the exit gate. And you got the mosque beneath Oberoi complex. The mosque is next to the entry grade. This is Transcon Triumph. There's a lot of space in this building, and you can see gardens, trees, very green area out here. I'll just keep it simple. It's a very neat garden out here. There's a play area for grown-ups and kids out here. Needs a little bit of cleaning because the rains just got over. And this is the parking space. Amazing parking space. It's too big. It's a very big society with 2 buildings and 16-story each wing. Very neat. And that's the temple out there. And this is the parking area. Still parking is available for sale along with the flat, and empty space, empty parking. Thank you.